Have you ever tried to compliment someone and it came out a little strange? Or complained about something but felt rude doing it?
Today we go shopping and practice how to speak highly of people and raise a concern without sounding rude.
Welcome to English with William and Sarah. I'm William.
And I'm Sarah. Today's episode is Level B1 Intermediate English. We'll learn how to give compliments and complain politely while shopping.
By the end of the episode, you'll know 6 key phrases. Let's go. All right, imagine we are at the mall. Sarah, you just tried on a blue dress. And I have to say, it looks amazing.
Oh, thank you. But what do you really think? Don't just be nice.
Honestly, I think that looks great on you. The color goes perfectly with your eyes.
Now let's pause. William said, I have to say, that phrase is useful when you want to introduce a strong opinion. It makes your sentence feel honest and direct.
And that looks great on you is one of the most natural compliments in English. You can use it with any clothing item.
For example, that hat looks great on you. Or, those shoes look great on you. Very flexible.
Now, Sarah, let's say you love the dress, but the price is a problem. How do you say that without being rude to the shop assistant?
I would say, excuse me, not to complain, but this price could be better. Is there a discount available?
Beautiful. She didn't say this is too expensive. She was polite and soft. That's very English.
Vocabulary breakdown time. Let's review the first 3 phrases from today.
Phrase 1. That looks great on you. Use it to compliment someone's clothing. Say it with me. That looks great on you.
Phrase 2, I have to say. Use it before an honest opinion. I have to say, this is my favorite podcast.
Phrase 3. Not to complain but. This is how you introduce a problem politely. Not to complain but. The line here is very long.
And phrase 4, could be better. You use this instead of saying something is bad. The weather today could be better.
Back to the story. We leave the clothing store and go to a cafe inside the mall.
I ordered a latte 20 minutes ago and it still hasn't arrived. I want to speak to the waiter.
Okay, so how do you do that without making a scene?
I would say, excuse me, I'd like to raise a concern. I ordered a latte quite a while ago. Could you check on that for me?
I have to say, that was perfectly polite. Raise a concern sounds professional and calm. Much better than saying, where is my coffee? Loudly.
Exactly. And when the waiter came back, William gave him a big compliment.
Yes. I told the manager, I always speak highly of this cafe to my friends. The food here is excellent.
See how speak highly of is a way of giving a public or indirect compliment. It means you recommend that person or place to others.
Right. I speak highly of my boss means I say good things about my boss to other people. It's a very nice phrase.
And then as we left, William went to another store, shoes this time. And he tried on every single pair.
I couldn't help it. Sarah, those brown boots that you tried on, I have to say, that looks great on you. You should definitely buy them.
And I said, not to complain, but they could be better quality for this price. So I didn't buy them.
Sarah is always very practical, but very polite about it. Now let's review the last 2 key phrases of the episode.
Phrase 5, raise a concern. This is formal and polite. You raise a concern instead of making a complaint loudly. Use it in shops, offices, restaurants.
Phrase 6, speak highly of. When you want to say you recommend or praise someone, use this. My friend speaks highly of this school.
Now, all 6 phrases together. That looks great on you, I have to say. Not to complain, but could be better. Raise a concern. Speak highly of.
That looks great on you.
I have to say.
Not to complain, but.
Could be better.
Raise a concern.
Speak highly of.
Quiz time. I'll describe a situation. You choose the best phrase. Ready?
Question 1. Your friend is wearing a new jacket. You think it suits them very well. What do you say?
The answer is, that looks great on you. Perfect for complimenting clothing.
Question 2. You want to mention to a manager that the bathroom in a restaurant is not clean. You don't want to be aggressive. What do you say?
You say, I'd like to raise a concern. The bathroom could be better. 2 phrases in one. Excellent.
Question 3. You always say positive things about your dentist to your friends. Which phrase describes what you do?
You speak highly of your dentist. Great job if you got all 3 right.
That's it for today. You learned 6 great phrases for giving compliments and raising concerns politely in English.
I have to say, you did a great job today. That listening looks great on you.
Practice these phrases in real life this week. Try complimenting one person and raising one concern politely. See you next time.